So tariffs are another thing that's impacting the jobs market. I'm not in retail, but just keep in mind, like, the impact is real. Uh, they're estimating that that impact is going to be a 2.3% price increase across the board on all the goods that are imported, and that's an annual cost of 4,000 a year. So that doesn't sound like a lot, but if you can't project how much it's going to impact you as the retailer, you're the retailer and you have to buy from a manufacturer, but now it's like, okay, I can't buy from China anymore. I've got to buy them from another country, or I've got to buy them inside the US. Even that restructuring, even if it works, you had to take time to figure out how you're going to, what your supply chain going to look like, right? So that's still going to be a shift. So the economic shift from the tariffs and the restructuring of the government, and all of the, it's like a domino effect, all of the surrounding contracts that are affected by your changes in the restructuring of the government, this definitely affecting jobs. And so I would say that all of these things right here are overall impacts on AI. And another thing, something Professor Black Ops brought up last week, if you guys, a couple weeks ago, which I thought was exactly right. He said, before all the AI and before the tariffs, before all this stuff happened, right? Before all of this, we already had cybersecurity. Our workforce was already short 1 million people. It's already short 1 million. And just let me tell you something, right? I've been in this field for many, many years. And in the last 7 jobs that I've had, I can name 3 of those jobs that I was doing the work of 3 or 4 people. Right now, I'm in a job where I'm doing literally the work of 3 people. And then in the last job I was at, yeah, it was the work of 2 people. And then the last job, it was the work of 2 or 3 people. We need more people in this field. Like, we definitely need more people in this field. There's no question about it. In the statistics, with the government needs more people. The government itself, the U.S. government, definitely needs more people, and they've been having a hard time before AI got big, and they're saying, "Oh, it's going to eliminate 50% of the jobs." And before all that, it was already a problem that we couldn't get enough people in this field.